episode. Damang-dama na nga ang Feb-Ibig Month sa episode. Kagabi nahatid ng Dream Love Teams. Isa na nga dyan si Maymay at Edward. Pero kahit nakikilan tayo sa kanila, si Maymay tila may concern, ha? May concern sa kanila ni Edward. Mayward? May worry?
Forever naman. I didn't choose anything. If that's someone okay, then it's okay for me.
So if he asks you, you will say,
oh, anyone, no, wait lang. Everyone is okay as long as I can feel it.
So he's one of everyone, di ba?
But I told you something. First, I don't know the English. I don't understand.
You understand me?
Second, he will get tired lang of my English.
No?
Third, wait lang, I told you the reality.
How many ba? How many?
It depends. Wait lang. Third, I'm not pretty. No, wait lang, wait.
No, you wait.
I'm not the scringy for him. I'm not for him.
I'm not telling you because I like you. You're pretty, I swear. No, okay, I will tell you the truth.
Sige.
Do not get hurt, ha? When I first saw her, she's not pretty. She looks like a grasshopper like that. And then every time I see you more, you're so pretty. No, I promise. Grasshopper, oh. Like that, so skinny like that. And then every time I see you, you're so pretty. Every day it grows. Because it starts from here. That's why when every time I see you, it's like that. No, I swear.
Wala, kalami. Oy, thank you po.
Guwapo, no?
Yippee!
Ay, kiss! Did you kiss her? Kiss her?
Massage mo. Ang sakit. Oo, dito. Massage. Hiligdat.
Look, grabe. Hala.
Nag-moment yung dalawa. Alam ko, Year of the Roost.